how to transfer USDT from Gateio to Bitget. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Gateio to Bitget. So make sure to watch until the end for a complete step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started. First, go to the Bitget website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the puzzle piece option. From the drop-down menu, go down to Assets Overview and click on that. Next, click on the spot option on the left side of the screen. Now, select Withdraw for USDT. You'll see options to choose the network. Choose spot. You also need to enter the withdrawal address. To get this address, open a new tab and go to the Gateio website. In the search bar, type in Usdt to find the currency you want to receive. Click on USDT and scroll down to find Polygon. Copy the wallet address provided. Go back to the Bitget website and paste the copied address into the withdrawal address field. Click on Next to proceed. Finally, click on Confirm to complete the transfer. The transfer will now be completed and you can go back to the Bitget website to confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that the withdrawal fee for this transaction will be 0.35. That's all for the video.